Good morning, sir. Myself Yashwant. I am from Triple One BTech first year. Today my topic name is decimal number to any number. Introduction to decimal. Introduction to number conservation. Sir. Number conservation is a fundamental concepts in digital electronics, computer science, and mathematical computers used in different numbers systems in represented and processed data. Since humans typically used to the decimals systems and computers mostly use binary learning number conversion help us understood how data is stored, processed and communicated inside the digital systems. What is decimal number? A number a decimal number is a number written in the base 10 number system, which is a standard system we use it in everyday life. It is 10 digits. They are 0 to 9. The words are decimal concepts from the Latin word decimal. Decim meaning is 10. A decimal number have integer part, whole number, fractional part, have digital after the decimal point. Example 27.45, 27 integer part, 45 is a fractional part. Importance of converting numbers. Number conversion is an essential concept in computer science, electronics and mathematics and digital communications. It helps us understand how data is represented, processed and stored by computers and digital devices. Communication between humans and computers. Efficient data represent essentially for the data electronics. Common number bases. Binary used only two digits. They are 0 and 1. Octal used digits from 0 to 7. Hexadecimal used to digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F alphabets. Converting decimal to binary. Dividing the decimal number by the 2 repeatedly until the quotient is 0. Record the reminders. These forms the binary numbers when read in reverse. Binary conversion is fundamental for the understanding digital electronics and computing. Converting decimal to octagonal. Divide the decimal number by 8 repeatedly until the quotient becomes 0. Note reminder at each step. Read them in reverse order for the octagonal number. Octal is often used digit systems for the compact representation for binary data. Converting decimal to hexadecimal. Dividing the decimal number by 15 repeatedly until the quotient is 0. Record the remainder used to digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F alphabets for the value above 9. Hexadecimal is widely used in programming and color coding in web design. Converting decimal to any base. General method. Divide the decimal number by the target base repeatedly. Keep track of the remainder at each steps. Read the remainder in reverse order to get the numbers in a designed base. Converting from any base to decimals. Multiply each digit by the base rise to positions power. Sum all these values to get the equivalent decimal number. This process is essentially for the understanding the relationship between the different number systems. Practical example decimal to binary. Converting 156 to binary by dividing by 2. 156 divided by 2, quotient is 78 and remainder is 0. Continuing dividing 78 by divided 2 and the come quotient is 39 and remainder is 0. 39 divided by 2, quotient is 19 and the remainder is 1. Final step, 19 is divided by 2. The come quotient is 9. Remainder is 1. 9 and also repeatedly 9 divided by 2. The come quotient is 4. Remainder is 1. 4 divided by 2. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 0. And 2 divided by 2. quotient is 1, remainder is 0, and also 1 divided by 2, quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Practical examples: decimal to hexadecimal. Converting 255 to hexadecimal by dividing by 16 and divided by 16. 255 divided by 16. Quotient is 15. Remainder is 15. Since 15 is represented for f in hex, the number is read as ff. Therefore, 255 is decimal equals to the ff in hexadecimal. Applications of number conservations. Number conservation are used in coding, entropy, and data representation. They are the essentially in understanding how computers process and stored data. Learning conservations improve the problem solving skills mathematically and computer science. Conclusion and summary: converting decimal number to any base involving decimals and remainder tracking. The process applies universally to various bases including binary, octagonal, and hexadecimal. Mastering these conversions techniques is beneficial for many technical and academic fields. Thank you, sir.